his opponent.
Hindi ba kayo na mga matatangkad na insulti dyan sa ginagawa? James Yap from the outside, 3-point shot. Tiantres, ang inyong kakampi sa
Kanina medyo advantageous para sa Pure Foods.
Although that advantage was nullified by Paul Artadi's speed, which para sa Barangay Ginebra, the near steal there. Aban recovers it, 6 on the shot clock. James Yap threads the needle. Naku naman, ano ba naman yan? Pumusing ba sa ere?
6 points now for
James move. Ayan o, nagsumiksik. Umere. Alright. It is now a 2-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra at 18-16. We have a foul. It's J.J. Helterbrand who's assigned to James Yap. And there's that moment, brief moment that we were talking about that James Yap sa energy.
Matinding rotation na ng Pure Foods kung si Jun Simon. Pati na rin si Romila Duto.
Meanwhile, Villanueva looking at James Yap. James Yap gets away. Yeah. And he's got 11. J.J. Helterbrand. Looking at Willie Wilson against Chico Luneta. Back to Helterbrand. Jumper by J.J. Tientrasan. Ang inyong kakampi. J.J. Helterbrand has it against Chico Luneta. And pulls up good jumper. Tientrasan. Ang inyong kakampi sa buhay. Helterbrand now has 10 remaining in the third. Helterbrand. James Yap up against Mackie Escalona. James Yap turns around. Yeah.
Just too easy for a James Yap. Somebody's got a double from the ground.
Get back and do his stuff and help out Pure Foods at Wienheim. J.J. Helterbrand. It's over for the TM3. Yep. Oh, his pass inside picked off by Ronald Tibbett. There's the pitch. Sunday. Helterbrand is fouled. Robinson met by Helterbrand. Out to James Yap. There's a looking shot for him. Tientrasan. Ang inyong kakampi sa buhay. They know that they've got time on their hands. Well, it's now down to 6 seconds on the shot clock. And J.J. Helterbrand looking up. What was that?
I think he got poked in the nose by Nico Villanueva.
J.J. Helterbrand.
Looks like a technical foul was slapped against Kobe Raimundo.
And Barangay Ginebra, like we said, it's going to be pretty tough for Pure Foods to try and get this back, especially with that. J.J. Helterbrand scoring at another 20 by 10 at 103-93. And now Barangay Ginebra defeats Pure Foods upset of sorts.